education system. Over the past decade, technology has moved from being just a supporting tool to becoming a central part of how we learn. Classrooms that once only depended on blackboards and textbooks are now filled with smart boards, online resources and digital tools. But all these innovations, one stands out the most: artificial intelligence, or simply AI. AI is no longer something from a science fiction, it has become a practical partner in our daily learning. To understand its impact, let us begin with a simple thought. Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace. Fast learners move ahead without waiting, and those who need more time get extra support without feeling left behind. For many years, this idea seemed impossible, but today AI is helping us make this a reality. One of the most important contributions of AI in education is personalized learning. Traditional classrooms try their best, but it is difficult for a teacher to give individual attention to 40 or 50 students at once. However, AI systems can adapt instantly. They analyze a student's strengths and weaknesses and provide customized lessons. If a student struggles with algebra, then the system slows down and gives him extra support. If a student is strong in English, then the system gives him more advanced material. This kind of personalized learning ensures that no student is left behind and no one feels unchallenged. Another major area where technology, especially AI, is changing education is accessibility. In earlier times, students needed to be physically present in the classrooms, but today learning can happen anytime, anywhere, at home or a bus or even in a remote village with limited resources. Online classes, digital libraries and AI tutors allow students even from remote areas to receive same quality of education as those of higher and big cities. This helps bridge the gap between different social and economic backgrounds. Education becomes more equal, accessible and inclusive to all. AI also helps teachers in significant ways. Many people think that technology replaces teachers, but in reality it supports them. AI can automate tasks such as checking homework, tracking performance and preparing question papers. This reduces the workload of teachers, giving them more time to focus on learning, mentoring and taking care of students' needs. When technology takes care of menial tasks like these, teachers can invest their time and energy in building creativity, critical thinking and human connections, things AI cannot replace. Another important benefit is the improvement of learning quality. AI-powered tools provide instant feedback. Instead of waiting days to know their mistakes, students can get their corrections immediately with the help of AI-powered tools. This helps them learn accurately and more faster. Technology has also opened doors for new skills. In 21st century, students are not only expected to know the facts, they are also required to solve problems, think outside the box and adapt to change. AI helps build these skills through coding platforms, virtual labs and educational games and intelligent tutorials. These tools challenge students to think beyond textbook and prepare them for their future careers in business, science, engineering, medicine, etc. However, it is equally important to talk about the responsibilities that comes with technology. As students, we must use digital tools wisely. Tools must also ensure that AI is used safely, ethically and responsibly, respecting privacy and protecting the students' data. Teachers and parents must guide the children to balance screen time with real-world experiences. Despite these challenges, one thing is very clear, that artificial intelligence is not replacing education, it is transforming it. It is helping us to shift from a one-size-fits-all approach to a more personalized, flexible and effective learning environment. It is giving teachers better tools and students better opportunities. It is making education smarter, faster and more accessible than ever before. To conclude, technology is not changing how we learn, it is shaping who we become. So if we use it with wisdom, responsibility and creativity, it will not only support our education but also empower us to build a brighter and greater future. Thank you.